Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a must-have item that every household should have, and that is because it is a forehead or ear thermometer. This thing is pretty cool. It was sent over by a company called Synolmedic. It's gonna come in this little box right here, and then obviously it's gonna come with a quick start guide or a user manual. It also comes with a nice little pouch to keep it in when you're not utilizing it. But this is what the device looks like. It's really nice and compact, very, very easy to utilize. So first off, there is a little door on the back side. It's gonna come with two AA or AAA batteries. That's what it's powered up, so you don't have to worry about recharging or anything like that, or the battery's going dead, you just swap them out. You're also gonna notice there's a switch on the back side that's gonna allow you to change this between Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on what temperature setting you prefer. Now, very easy to see screen. The screen is kind of cool. So right now it's just a little blue screen. However, it gives you a snapshot as far as like the temperature. So if your temperature is all good, it's gonna show green. If you're kind of on the warm side, it's gonna be orange. And then if you're running a fever, it's gonna be red. So it's a quick visual look at. Now, the readings are super, super fast. Within 1 second, it's gonna be able to do the readings. Very easy. You're just gonna simply hold the button down there at the bottom, and you're gonna notice it's going to do the reading. As soon as you let go, it's gonna save it. Now, this does have the ability to hold a memory of 40 temperatures. So if you're needing to track, like you have a sick kiddo and you're wanting to track to see how that temperature is, you can do that. You can go ahead and save that as you want. It also has a little beep sound if you wish to utilize that as well. I prefer it on mute. But it is got a little beep, so that way you do know when your reading is done, or you can just leave it on mute. For example, if the kiddo is sleeping and you don't want to wake them up, the mute button is nice. Now, this isn't just meant for kids. It can be used for adults. There's multiple settings or modes on this thing. So the little button at the top lets you go through. So first you're gonna see an adult. Obviously that's for the adult mode. For babies or kids, there is the little icon for them. And then there's also a house icon, because this is basically using infrared. And so you can utilize it to measure the temperature of any surface, for example. And so you want to use the house icon for that, if you will. Then this is the really cool. So right now, this whole time I've been showing you, this is the forehead. You're just gonna hold it a few inches from the forehead, and you're gonna basically let it get its temperature and then let go, and it's gonna tell you. Now, if you wish to put this in ear mode, it'll automatically change. Simply move the cover, and then you're gonna notice the icon changes to the ear, and now you just put it in your ear, and then go ahead and hold the button down, and then let go, and it's gonna tell you your ear temperature. So really, really cool feature as far as utilizing this. Works very, very fast, very compact, and like I said, it has multiple modes, whether you're adults or kids. Everybody should have a thermometer around their house for when you get sick, and this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. Well, that is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.